Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for all things beauty, hair, fashion, and lifestyle. It's the girl, Lady M here, and in today's video, you guessed it, I have another Boxycharm unboxing today. This is my September Luxe box that we're going to be getting into today. So let's jump into this unboxing. But before we do, if you aren't already subscribed, please take some time to hit that subscribe button down below. If you are subscribed, then make sure you turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. All right, without any further ado, let's jump into this box, shall we? All right, so where is the opening? Let me go ahead and open her up. Ooh, let's see this. Ooh, this box is pretty. Let me turn it around. So it says Boxycharm. This is the box. All right, so this says Fall Luxe. So this, as I mentioned, is my September Luxe box that we're gonna get into. This is my little sheet that has everything in it. And of course, I'll be sure to let you guys know what is the total value of this box. Also, if you are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I'll also have the links down below. And there's 3 different boxes that have the base box, the premium box, and the Luxe box. And all the pricing and details and links is gonna be in the description box down below. This, as I mentioned, is my Luxe box. So let me open her up and, I'm already like, Okay, so I'll just grab the first thing that's on top. And this is another product from Cab Cosmetics. Let's see here. Yeah, Cab Cosmetics, and this is their contour palette. It says this matte contour palette contains 8 silky powders that blend effortlessly into the skin for the perfect contour every time. Use the darker shades for a chiseled, striking contour and the lighter shades under your eyes and other high points of the face for an instant lifting effect. This retails for $60. So let me go ahead and open this up and let's take a look together. Okay, this isn't too bad. I definitely think this is meant for deeper skin tones, because as you can see, there are all the colors. And I feel like this sunshine and this cream color could totally be used like under my eyes to set my eye. Even maybe, no, I wouldn't even dare set my face with that. But yeah, I think this is a pretty nice palette. It's pretty big. Obviously, this says that this is the volume 2. So I'm saying that this may be for darker skin tones. It doesn't really say, but I do think that this is dark skin friendly approved. So not too bad for $60. That is pretty big, and you get a lot of product obviously for that $60. So all right, so first product, I will say I give it thumbs up because it's definitely something that is appropriate for my skin tone and something that I could probably even use. So yes. Okay, next up I have this here from Saturday Skin, and I think Saturday Skin is an Australian skincare brand. They've been in like these boxes a lot. So this is the Pretty Pop Prebiotic Power Whipped Cream, a soft and luxurious whipped cream with encapsulated probiotics activated by prebiotics for healthy and radiant looking skin. This retails for $57. It has a 12-month shelf life. So let's see what it says. Unveil your luminosity. A soft and luxurious cream with encapsulated probiotics activated by prebiotics. So it has 4 times probiotics to boost the look of a healthy complexion, 2 times prebiotics to achieve the full power of the probiotic infusion, and it also has a multi-benefit niacinamide, which helps to improve texture, tone, and radiance in the skin. So yeah, this probably is like a moisturizer. It says place moisturizer in the palm of your hand using all 4 fingers, apply in an outward circular motion, tap in the moisturizer into the skin. So this has no paraben, no sulfates, synthetic fragrance, or synthetic color. So interesting. I'm always on the hunt for a good moisturizer, so no complaints here. I might try it out. So this is the next product. I don't think I even showed you guys this. So that's what the box looks like. It has like that iridescent packaging there. Let me open it up. Oh, I didn't even say how many ounces this was. And this isn't the typical Saturday Skin packaging. This is 5 milliliters, 1.69 fluid ounces. And so you can just see that it has like that nice iridescence to it. So yeah, that's what that looks like. Not bad. I love skincare, so I'm definitely pleased with this other product. Okay, so next up we have Froze, and it says Hya Activated Lip Scrub. So where can I find that? What's this? Okay, Dew of the Gods. Froze Lip Scrub. Show your lips some much needed love with the scrub of the gods. This iconic Froze lip scrub is activated with hyaluronic acid and essential oils to hydrate, exfoliate, and lift. It's made from sugar, strawberry seed oil, jojoba oil, and shea extract. So it's already like sealed. You probably can't see the plastic wrapper that's on the box. I'm not really gonna open it because although I do like good lip scrubs and stuff like that, this is something that I could put in a giveaway once my channel gets to a certain amount. So I'll probably save this. So I don't want to open it or anything, but I love a good lip scrub, so I'm pretty sure that it's good. I've never heard of the brand before. It says, and that retails for $16. Okay. So next up I have this. It says the Lifestyle Company Bamboo Body Polish. It's 100% natural. It has bamboo stem extract, jojoba oil, and it has aloe vera. So definitely, if you know anything about aloe vera, it's very hydrating on the skin. This is vegan, paraben free, and sulfate free. It says scoop between fingers, apply to wet skin, and gently massage in a circular motion, focusing on rough areas, rinse thoroughly, and pat dry for soft, moisturized skin. And that is the packaging. It just has the name, pretty simple. I think this is like hard plastic as well. So it says the Lifestyle Company, this polish has sustainable bamboo stem extract to achieve gentle physical exfoliation for your self-care needs. It has bamboo stem, it says bamboo stem extract is derived from the interior portion of the plant and provides excellent exfoliation. It has jojoba oil, which delivers essential fatty acids and is quickly absorbed into the skin, helping it feel softer and more nourished. Keep in the fridge for anti-inflammatory effects and to boost circulation. Wow, that's pretty dope. This is made in California, and this retails for $49. So not bad. Lots of like body care, skincare. I got one little makeup product. So yes, I am here for it. And then this is from the iconic London Triple Threat Mascara. So this is the little packaging that it comes in. You know, the iconic London is just like that white, and then it has like that rose gold packaging. So let me open it up. Let's take a look together. Yes, I'm always here for mascara. This is pretty basic packaging, but nice. It just has the iconic London on there. So yeah, this is their mascara. Let me see what it says. What's the T? So it says Iconic London Triple Threat Mascara, fed up with falsies, meet the gold standard of mascaras, an ultra black, stunning, weightless formula that volumizes, lengthens, and lifts lashes all day and night. For a dramatic, fluttery look, the easy to handle slim brush gets right to the root of your lashes for an instant smoldering, fuller lash line, while the defense bristles separate and coat lashes evenly with deep black intense fullness and length, the best alternative to false lashes. This has a lot of claims in here, so I'm gonna have to try this to see is they right or is they not right. Like, okay, is this the best out here? Because I love me some good mascaras. And this one retails for $26, so that's exciting. I mean, so far I'm pretty pleased with this box. Okay, next up I have Rare Beauty with Gratitude Dewy Lip Balm. And this is, you know, the Rare Beauty packaging. It says that with gratitude right on the box. And then it has the Rare Beauty. So yeah, this is their lip balms. And I don't know if these have color to it. Yes, they do. Oh my, I love some of Rare Beauty's packaging. Look at how sleek this is. I'm sorry, I'm gonna get it in focus for you. There you go. And then see how it just like has this flat side right here. Yeah. And then you basically just like pull it out and then you have the lip balm here. Let me see if this one has any color. Oh yes, this is so pretty. Oh my God. It goes with like, ooh, can you see the color? Y'all, my bad. I don't know why I be putting stuff in places where I know that y'all can't see and I can't turn my hand. So sorry about that. Okay, so there is the color. So pretty. It's like a nice, almost like terracotta, but still has a little bit of like warmth to it. So very, very pretty. Yeah, not like a terracotta, but like a mauve. See, I can't, it's like my hands is like so shiny. You can't really see. Sorry. Like I can't. There we go. So you can kind of see it has like that nice mauve tone to it. Very hydrating. I wonder what kind of oils this has. Okay, so let's get the tea on this Rare Beauty. Hydrating lip balm with a kiss of dewy buildable color that looks and feels so good your lips will thank you. Throw out the sheer soft tinted lip balm without a mirror and still get it right. Glides on smooth, which it did. It feels comfy and cushy. It's never greasy or sticky. Weightless hydration that lasts all day so lips feel nourished and nurtured. Lips look fuller and healthier with buildable color that blurs the look of fine lines without setting. So yeah, the color is mad pretty. I love it. Definitely feels very hydrating and soft on my skin. I just kind of rubbed it out. So yeah, that's not too bad. I love it. Okay, so next up, what do we have? I'm just gonna grab this because I got this in another box previously, which was the leave-in conditioner. So I'll be sure to link that up top. And this is from OUTRE, I don't know. But this is the Best Buds Shampoo and Conditioner Duo. Healthy hair begins with a healthy scalp. This daily duo repairs and hydrates stressed out strands with natural ingredients like jojoba, baobab, and avocado, while the anti-inflammatory benefits of CBD oil nourish and soothe your scalp. It's great for all hair types too. Tames frizz, protects your hair color, and add lustrous shine. This retails for $66. Nice. It's for fine, medium, thick hair. Interesting. Daily hydrating shampoo. Everybody likes, you know, like I don't really fool around too much with like products like that. So that I'm probably going to pass on and give that away. Okay, so the last product in the box is something from the NewCo. And I've been reading a lot about this brand, another like really natural brand. And this is their Defense Drops. So this is your first line of defense against getting sick. with everything we got going on, I might need this. This one is for your immunity. The immune boosting liquid tincture contains a blend of adaptogenic herbs and immunomodulating extracts with naturally antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties. Used at the first sign of a scratchy throat or sneeze to help support your body's immune response. Okay, I'm sold. Although, like, I don't really like putting things in my mouth. I don't like mixing things. I have a lot of tincture, like CBD tinctures, and I just have to mix it with something. I don't like putting stuff, even though they don't have any taste. I just have a hard time swallowing stuff like that. So, but I'm definitely gonna try that. I do know that adaptogens are really good for calming, you know, healing the skin. And I love that it's just natural ingredients to help support your immune system. It says, we make supplements from clean sources using ingredients that do not harm people or the planet, bringing together the best in nature plus in science. Here for it. 1 dropper full every day. It has a lot more ingredients in here that I can't really read these words. But yeah, so check out the Nuco. Like, they have a lot more other products that, like, if you have sleep problems, if you have like digestion problems, they have like a whole line of stuff. I have been looking into them before, but so I'm glad that I get this, and I'm definitely keeping that because I need my immunity boosted. Okay. All right, so this concludes everything that I got in my fall Luxe box. I must say that I am pleasantly pleased with my Luxe box. I mean, out of everything, I think, like, I feel like this is a pretty good box, honestly. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items. And I probably will say I would give this box 10 out of 10, honestly. I think everybody loves good lip scrubs. The only thing that I'm probably passing on, like I said, is the hair stuff, because I have good stuff that work for me, and I don't really like to try new things because my scalp is like, sometimes it doesn't like when I try new things. So that's the only thing that I probably say would be a hard pass for me. So that's like 7 out of 8. So totally still love this box. All right, let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Do you subscribe to Boxycharm? Did you get your Luxe box? Is there anything in here that you're excited about? And like I said, let me know below. Also, if you aren't already subscribed, then make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so that you can become part of the Lady M fam bam. And then, guys, turn on your notification bells to be notified whenever I upload new videos. All right, guys, thanks for joining me today in this Boxycharm Luxe unboxing. So glad to have you here, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up, like, comment, share, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.